Well, slick spots on our upstate and mountain roads are a concern for tomorrow. Kendra just mentioned that.
That's right. And as we found out, the DOT is getting ready. Fox Carolina's Rebecca Atkins live outside along Pelham Road in Greenville County with what they're doing right now ahead of the morning commute.
Well, yeah, guys, I spoke with DOT earlier today, and they tell me the trucks are out on the roads, pre-treating them, getting ready for this winter weather we're expected to be getting. Now, the Department of Transportation says they will not be out on the roads this evening as they were out there pre-treating earlier today. You may have seen them while you were exiting or entering interstates. They say at midnight crews will be coming in to keep an eye out and monitor the roads. And with the snow expected to start tonight, first responders ask that you be prepared and know what to do if you get stuck in a sticky situation.
A fully charged cell phone is a good idea to have. Even make sure that you have a charger for your cell phone in the vehicle with you. Another thing we like to tell people is keep a bag of kitty litter. And their kitty litter is really great for traction should you run out of traction.
Now, Kaysen is the deputy fire marshal for the Boiling Springs Fire District and says driving on snow is not any safer than ice, and you still need to take the same precautions that you would on slick roads like the ones we had last week. Now, Kaysen also mentions having a first aid kit like this one in your car to be prepared. It has items like flashlights, whistles, blankets, Band-Aids, anything you might need for that type of situation. And coming up later in the show, we'll bring you a closer look at if you do get stuck, how they say you can get out. Reporting live, Rebecca Atkins, the 10 o'clock news.
Rebecca, thank you.